Vatican City, August 4, 2019, 3:28 a.m., Catholic News Agency. Pope Francis published a letter Sunday to encourage all priests to remain steadfast and prayerful during this time of purification after revelations of abuse by some priests, so that there may be a renewal of holiness in the priesthood. I am convinced that, to the extent that we remain faithful to God's will, these present times of ecclesial purification will make us more joyful and humble, and prove, in the not distant future, very fruitful, the Pope wrote in a letter published August 4. Encouraging priests to reread the 16th chapter of Ezekiel, he said, "Let us not grow discouraged. The Lord is purifying His bride and converting all of us to Himself. He is letting us be put to the test in order to make us realize that without Him we are simply dust. He is rescuing us from hypocrisy, from the spirituality of appearances." There is more to the article at the link in the description box.